In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bookmap. Bookmap is a powerful market visualization platform, and getting it set up correctly is quick when you follow the right path. First, head to the official Bookmap website. On the homepage, click Start for Free. You'll be prompted to create an account. Use your own credentials and a strong password, then sign in to the user portal. In the Downloads area, choose the production version for your operating system. The production build is the most stable release, so it's the recommended choice for the smoothest experience. Once the installer finishes downloading, open the file. On Windows, that's in .exe. On a Mac, launch the installer for macOS. Follow the prompts in the setup wizard. Click Next, accept the terms, and click Install. Wait for the progress bar to complete, then launch Bookmap directly from the wizard or from your applications. The default options work well for most users, so if you're unsure, keep them as they are. When Bookmap opens for the first time, you'll see a sign-in window. Log in with the account you just created. If you already have a license key, you can assign it during this step to unlock paid features. If not, no problem. Proceed with the free plan, so you can explore the platform immediately. After you're logged in, you're ready to start. For a safe first experience, choose Simulation Mode. This lets you learn the interface and practice without connecting to live accounts. You can always connect your broker or a data provider later when you're comfortable. To open your first chart, click the plus icon, pick a market from the list, and subscribe. As data comes in, you'll see the Heatmap and order flow visualizations populate on the screen. A few important tips before you dive deeper. Always download Bookmap from the official website. Avoid cracked or unofficial copies. They can be unsafe, unreliable, and illegal. Remember that Bookmap needs market data to display activity. The free tier includes crypto and delayed data, which is perfect for testing and learning. For real-time stocks and futures, you'll need a paid plan paired with a supported data source. And if you're brand new, keep practicing in simulation mode. It's the best way to get comfortable quickly. That's the whole process for installing Bookmap and getting your first chart up. If you encounter installer permission issues, try running the installer as administrator on Windows or allow apps from identified developers on Mac. Enjoy exploring Bookmap and have a great session.